i35equipment.com. This is XCMG XE210CU hydraulic track excavator. Stock number 090. Does have the Cummins diesel in it. Lots of power and no def required, which is a great feature. Real fast operating machine. Sounds to be running excellent. However, we do welcome you to come inspect it for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator, or hire some local ones in the company if you like. We're open by appointment only, so just give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. As you hear, the travel alarm is working. Also has an amber beacon light up above. And the safety rails, Kawasaki pump. Rear view camera, cold working air conditioning, dual travel speeds. 24-inch bucket with 3 brand new teeth. Auxiliary hydraulics. And a JRB hydraulic quick attach system. If you're interested, we do have other buckets available. We also have both manual and hydraulic thumbs available that can be added on before it ships out. If you'd like an online quote, just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back the best rate that comes back to us. As always, welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. We do specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call or fill out the form on our website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We do have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. We help you get your machinery sold. Excellent digging power. Be a great machine for the farm, ranch, or the job site, whether you're digging or doing demolition. Adding a thumb allows you to not only scoop and dig, but to grab, sort, and lift. So if you're doing some sort of demolition or pulling trees out on the ranch, clearing fence lines, it might be a good option for you. And like we said, we do have other buckets available. We have some new ones. At this time, I think we have one used one left that fits this size. But being a quick attach system, it's easy and convenient to change between buckets. 3 brand new teeth, like we said. There's that JRB hydraulic quick attach system, so you can change buckets without getting out of the machine. Auxiliary hydraulics there. Work light up on the stick. Work light on under the step. Go ahead and climb up here and take a look at the motor. It does still have the factory grease gun. The grease gun spot right there. So, glass on the machine, real clean looking, grease control. It also comes with a pre-filter. Helps you a little bit for that dirt and either ever reaching your air filter on the motor. That is your timepiece. No blow by. Serviced at 17-15 hours. Here, so it's real good. There we go. Rear view camera there. Control pattern. Usually you'll just pop it off there, get that pop back on. Check out the carriage on this side. ahead and zoom out to the fisheye lens to give you a good view of the interior. Got a good mirror there. And mirrors are always welcome. XCMG factory format, XCMG factory seat. If you're not familiar with XCMG, third largest manufacturer of equipment, construction equipment in the entire world, with a large parts warehouse in Las Vegas, Nevada. 2637 hours. Rear view camera. Nothing weird showing. And then work lights, windshield wiper. This is for your hydraulic quick attach, travel alarm, throttle. Before I forget, the cool part about XCMG is they will show you if there's any issues and tell you code by just hitting this button right here. No codes, no issues. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope this video was beneficial to you, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a wonderful day.